Hello everyone, in this video you will learn how to make the character more flexible. So this is a simple rig of Lincoln Loud that I did a while ago. If you haven't watched it, you can find it in my channel. So we begin by duplicating the chest and the spine bone by pressing Shift D. Then renaming them by pressing F2 for batch renaming. This enables you to rename multiple bones simultaneously. Set the find and replace names of the bones with Control. Then change objects to bones. These are going to be our control bones. I place them on their own collection by pressing M, then move to New Collection. On the Collection tab, you can hide and unhide the bones by clicking on the star icons of their collection name. Hide the original deformed bones. Press E to extrude a bone from the center, then press Alt-P to unparent the bone. This will be the root bone of the torso. Select the spine control bone, then press Alt-F to flip it. Select the chest and the spine control bone, then Shift-select the root bone, then press Ctrl-P to parent them to the root bone. Unhide the original deformed bones in the bone collections. Add a copy transform constraint to the chest deform bone targeting the chest control bone. Add a copy location constraint to the spine bone targeting the spine control bone. Adjust the slider on the head-tail section to bring it down. Add a stretch. 2 constraint to the spine bone targeting the spine control bone. Test to see if it's working.